Let me just get you. Let me just get you. Let the music go on here for a minute.
But you left no hidden clue, so I'll start a forest fire. Only then you'll know that my composition stacked a pile. Hockey to another place, position for another bow. Listen to me close before I ghost away and then I'll smile. On a cloud of reconcile, resurrected to a child. The cycle of the decks instead of quest to check the hidden owl. Another test of humble trial. God can see your pumping heart. The top will turn to action with the pain sustained and then you'll start.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's everybody think about that? What's everybody think about that, eh? Ooh. Do you want me to open it? I think a day early? A fucking day early, dude? Huh.
Don't fucking thinking clouding on the brightness from the moon. The seeing eye is doubting but inviting you to bloom. So open up the third and focus what is heard. Ignore explosive chatter when those rodents drop the word. I never rat on but only rat on self-control. The clever rats to Edwin had a seven.
What's everybody think? Should I open it? How many people are watching right now?
We're spirited in the show because we live it like the ghost. Taking it, think it's always quick to rip it rip. Your script is sticking in shit, so lickety lick, I'm taking a piss. No, jiggity riggedy rhymes, silly me mine appear to be fine. It's the time, Billy G died. Back to making a track, mapping and stacking a rap. Matching adaptive, matching the facts, the fractions adapted to pass. Wax to your ass and ask in the class. Who's fast at making it last, by making it fast.
Oh man.
The cause, breaking your back. Your trash are the blast. Into a fourth dimension where suspension is a must.
How's the quality here? Should I get a little less light?
Serenity is threatened when this entity is stuffed. Read me on my rights and cruel enforcer of my life. Forced to beat my head with my own
That look
camera,
better?
that's not right.
That look better? I think I might have to open this thing. Ooh. 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 Oh, wait. You don't even have to cut it? You don't have to cut it? There's little peelios. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. It's just not in there. Ooh. Ooh. Well, Jesus, would you look at that thing? Let's pull this thing out. Oh. Okay. Okay, we got a little thingy here. Oh my God. Look at that belly. Look at that belly right there. Oh, jeez, that camera. Dude. It's so... Oh. Huh? What the? Hey, where's... Holy moly. Let's turn this thing on, huh? Oh my God, it's all metal. Is this metal? Dang. This doesn't even turn on. Gotta charge it up. Oh. Oh. Google. 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 Yeah. Oh. Look at that. Got the little camera up in the screen. That's kind of gnarly. It's kind of gnarly, dog. It's kind of gnarly. Oh, welcome to your Pixel. Oh, man. Get started. Activate network now. Just a second. Oh. Oh. I'm like jizzing in my pants right now. I should probably turn off my other one. Alright, everybody. Thanks for stopping in. We'll be back with some more after I activate. Woo! Woo! Here, we'll get back on the other one.